Global Food Challenge. Let's dive into some delicious dishes. First up, this dish is often served with rice and features raw fish. Can you guess where it's from? Is it from Japan, Korea, or the Philippines? Think carefully. Time's up. The correct answer is Japan. This dish is called sushi. Next, we have a dish made with fermented vegetables, often spicy and served as a side. What could it be? Is it from Japan, Korea, or the Philippines? Make your guess. The answer is Korea. This dish is called kimchi. Finally, this dish is a savory stew made with meat and vegetables, often served with rice. Can you guess its origin? Is it from Japan, Korea, or the Philippines? Think it over. The correct answer is the Philippines. This dish is called sinigang. Let's continue on. This dish is known for its rich, creamy texture and is often served with a side of fries. What is it? Is it from Canada, the United Kingdom, or Italy? The correct answer is Canada. Poutine is a beloved Canadian dish. Let's move on to the next dish. This one is a classic comfort food, often enjoyed with a cup of tea. Can you guess if it's from Canada, the United Kingdom, or Italy? The answer is the United Kingdom. Fish and chips is a traditional British meal. This pasta is famous for its rich tomato sauce and is a staple in many households. Is this dish from Canada, the United Kingdom, or Italy? The correct answer is Italy. Spaghetti is a beloved Italian dish. How many did you guess correctly? Let's move on. It's a creamy, rich soup made with potatoes and leeks. Is this dish from Latvia, Singapore, or France? Think carefully. Time's up. The correct answer is France. This dish is called vichyssoise. Ready for the next dish? This one is a spicy noodle dish often served with seafood. Is this dish from Latvia, Singapore, or France? Make your guess. The time is up. The correct answer is Singapore. This dish is called Hokkien mee. This is made of rye dough, mashed carrots, mashed potatoes, sugar or honey, and caraway seeds. Is this dish from Latvia, Singapore, or France? Think it over. The answer is Latvia. This dish is called sklendrausis.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.